Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my MarkTech channel. These are the topics for today's video. I will explain to you about how to add domain to Mailgun and how to set up Mailgun settings at Google Domains, which are one of the top domain registrar, and how to add your Mailgun API to Go High Level so that your agency account and sublocations can be used for email outreach campaigns. And as a bonus point, I will share you about how to add and verify domain to Facebook Business Manager. As you might know, for pixel generation and conversion events, a domain verification is a necessary thing. And I will stick to Pixel for this video. I will for the future videos I will explain about all the conversions, event settings and other things. And for the unaware, email marketing is one of the most significant tool for outreach to the customers, and still it's a old marketing tool, but it's still in this age also it's still relevant. Even in the ages of like chatbots and other AI applications, email marketing still generates tons of customers for your clients. And Mailgun is one of the top provider in the it's widely used by a variety of CRM tools and other marketing tools. First, let's get into the video. How to set up the Mailgun. First, this is the Mailgun dashboard. You can subscribe to a foundational plan to that would be enough. I guess that you will get 35,000 emails per month. But there are also Mailgun policies like how much amount of mails can be sent in a moment or a minute, and what can be the bounce rate and what can be the spam rate. If you cross that limit, your domain will be blocked and your account will be flagged. So ensure that you send out mails to the cleaner list. Use tools like Never Bounce or Unbounce to clean your email list before using your email list for any emailer campaigns. And ensure that you have opt-ins from the customers directly, so that you complete the policies of Mailgun, as well as Go High Level and every popular tools. First, you have to Mailgun advises us to always create a subdomain rather than the root domain. I'm just for the demo purpose I'm using example.com. Okay, domain region. There are little issues with UU subdomains at the Go High level, so I'm sticking with the US one. Then click add. Domain already exists in the registry. Just when I entered a random domain, the Mailgun detects it's already exists in its registry. And now I have created an alternate domain, just a random domain, and these are all the keys we have to configure. There will be two text keys. I refer to a type of it's a type of DNS records. You don't have to get into all those things, SPF, TKM, DNS records. All the things are necessary, but to start with, you just focus on this thing, whatever the mapping has to be set. You consider this as a key and this as a value. In programming terms, you can use it as like a JSON or a dictionary in Python. Two text values and two MX records and a CNAME record. These are the things we have to verify. You can copy it out in a spreadsheet like this for easier use, or you can share it to whoever manages webmaster, or whoever manages the domain register thing. And once you copy this, you can just go over here, and this is the Google domain we have, and just stick to this you have to select the appropriate records here for cname email.mg, and like for mx records mx. For different domain register might have like different settings. Some will have for some will ask you to enter @ symbol for the domain, or some register will ask just to enter the mg, don't have to type the complete subdomain name like mg.example4545.com. you can just place it as mg. In that way, different for example GoDaddy uses different conventions, so you have to have a little read about of their help document how to configure these things. In case you have any queries, you just let me in the comment section. I'm happy to answer those queries. Here for the mx records, also records alone, you have to like add more. We are adding a same for the same key. We are adding two values. One is mxa and one is mxb, and 1010 is the priority number we are giving. Like that's the standard priority. You say I'm just, for the sake of this video, I'm just deleting this and like copying this, and yeah, this is how it's configured. And the same thing for text record, and you have to for Google domains you have to use up to the subdomain level. You don't have to type the complete name here, like mg.example.com or subdomain.smtp domain key at example.com. You don't have to type in that, configure in that way here. And this is this is how the complete things works here. And once you click save, and then you have to go to Mailgun, go back to Mailgun and just click the verify DNS settings. There may be like multiple buttons, but all does the same function. You can just click that verify, give time at least like it usually shows like it can take 24 to 48 hours, but in Google domains kind of domain register, it won't take more than like half an hour or 1 hour, so 60 minutes at max. And when you click verify, sometimes this CNAME alone will be in the warning icon, but other rest of other settings will convert into green. If it gets into green, it means that this record is successfully updated at the domain level. And when the Mailgun checks to, the domain register, it returns the valid record. So it shows like these are like successfully configured. Once you are configured, then it will show like all the things are out, and it will be the page will be reloaded to a new page, and it will show like how sending the records and other things, SMTP and other things you can configure. So this is how the entire things works. We with Mailgun as well as with the domain register. Here I have taken Google domain as the domain register, as it's one of the popular one. And how to add API key to the GUI high level. When you go to Mailgun, I'm just going back to the Mailgun. You will, in the dashboard itself for the respective you will see like the API keys. When you just click on the API keys, you can get those keys. And in the Go High level, at the agent, sorry, this is a Facebook one. In the Go High level, you can just go to like agency settings and click Mailgun and just copy those keys here, and if you have successfully verified, this domains will populate here, and then you can select the appropriate domain. And this is how the complete thing works for with respect to Mailgun, domain register, as well as the Go High level. Once you configure that, then you can start sending the mails as you wish to the desired customers and generate appointments or generate purchases, whatever your marketing intent is like. And with regards to the Facebook Business Manager, please be sure that it will domain verification is mandatory for the Business Manager, not just for plain ad accounts, because only with the Business Manager you can configure those pixel and conversion events and the things. And for to get to this page, you have to go to your Business Manager and just then select business settings and go to brand safety. go to business settings, brand safety, and click domains. Once you click domains, you can just add like example.com or example45.com. Yeah, then Facebook will give you three types of verification you can do. Either you can do like like add meta tag your HTML source code, or like upload a HTML file to your root directory. These are like these two options are for whoever has webmaster access. Those people can easily understand and relate to that. In case you want a simpler terms where you can just configure through at your domain register, you can just click the update DNS record and follow this instruction. Follow the instruction, that is like I have to copy this txt record, and you have to go back to your Google domains and just paste this value here, and you can just keep this value host name as it is, and ensure that your record is txt. That's it, and just click the save button. Once you are done with that, then you are free to then you can just go back to Facebook Business Manager and just click the verify domain. Once you are done, it will show like a domain verified, and then you are good to generate pixel, configure events, and all those things, rest of the things for your pixel tracking. I hope find this video useful, and in case you have any queries on this domain verification with other registers or like any other verification, you just let me know. I will try to cover in future videos, or I will try to answer those queries in the comments itself. And thanks for watching this video, and please consider subscribing my channel. Have a good day.